Alright, in this lesson, we're going to take a look at the modulo function. Now, the modulo function is something that you may not have seen in math class before, but it is very related to division. And basically, do you recall when you learned like long division in like grade 3 or 4 or something, you had remainders, right? So if you have 10 divided by 3, it would be like 3 remainder 1, something like that. So that's what modulo actually does. It gives us the remainder. So let's take a look at an example. So result equals, and so 10 modulo, the way that we denote the modulo operator is with the percent sign, 10 modulo 3. Okay, so this should give us the answer 1. Okay. We have to print it. And we will get 1. Okay, so be careful because it is not divide. 10 divided by 3 is, of course, we know 3.333, 3 and a third basically. We're not getting that 3 anywhere. Instead, we're getting that leftover one, right? Because 3 times 3, so 10 divided by 3 is 3 point something. So when we say 3 times 3, we get 9, and so we need one more to get the 10. That's the modulo. That's the remainder. Let's do another one. Let's do 20 modulo, I don't know, let's go 3 again, actually. So what do you predict here? 20 modulo 3. Okay, do you have a prediction for how much that will be? Well, if we go 20 divided by 3, that's going to be, what, 6 point something? 6 and 2/3, you know, 6, not 6 and 2/3, but 6 remainder 2. And so the result should be 2. Let's give it a try, run it, and here we are. We have the 2. Let's do a couple more examples. Let's do 100 modulo, say 6. So 6 times what? 15, 16? 6 times 16 should be 96, right? And so we should have 4 left over. Let's see if we did that right. There we go, 4 left over. So it is that remainder which can be useful to us sometimes, especially if we have a question like this. What if we have 15 modulo 5? So 15 divided by 5 is 3. Remainder what? There is actually no remainder. So the remainder is 0. So the modulo should be 0. And so if a number divides evenly, we will get like a 0 basically. 20 modulo 2. 20 is an even number, so there should be no remainder. And sure enough, we run it, and it is again a 0. So that's pretty much the modulo function. You can use it like any other function, add, divide, subtract, etc. But this is one that we use in computer science once in a while, and so they have a special one for that. Alright, so that's it for this video. See you in the next one.